Hey everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty. I'd love to introduce my newest listing, 2301 Clearwater Court. And let's get into my top 5 favorite things about this beautiful property. Coming in at number 1 is the premier location. This gorgeous bungalow is located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac that's just down the road from Mike Weir Park, the sandy shores of Lake Huron, and just across the road from the Howard Watson Nature Trail. And coming in at number 2 is this nearly 1-acre estate. With a lot of privacy, it's the perfect place to unwind at the end of a day or watch the kids play. And coming in at number 3 is the heart of the home. This large open concept kitchen, dinette, and living room with direct backyard access is the perfect place to unwind. And coming in at number 4 is this generous primary bedroom, featuring a large walk-in closet and a luxurious 5-piece ensuite bathroom. Let's get the party started with number 5. This huge basement rec room is the perfect place for entertaining.